Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to show you how I make my easy strawberry cake. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get a bowl coming with about 200 grams of butter and melt it up a little bit in the microwave. Next, I'll add about 50 ml of full cream milk. 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar, a pinch of salt to taste, a pinch of salt to taste. I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip everything up. After I've whipped it up, I'll come in with 6 medium-sized egg yolks. I'll give it a good mix. Now I'm gonna come in with my cake flour. Here I'm using about 300 grams of cake flour. I'll mix it up with a spatula and set it aside for later. I've got my egg whites here. I'm using 6 egg whites and I'll come in with a little bit of vanilla essence. Also add about 4 tablespoonfuls of sugar. With the help of my mixer, I'll just whip it up till it turns fluffy. I'll just set it aside for later. I'll come in with about 15 grams of baking powder. I'll come in with my strawberry flavor. And since it's a strawberry cake, I'll like to give it the pink look. So I'll come in with some red food color. You don't need a lot, just a little bit to tint it up. I'll give it a good mix till it's mixed up evenly. Finally, I'll come in with my egg white and with the help of my hand mixer, I'll just mix them up. I have my cake pan here. I have greased it and I've also dusted it with some flour. I'll just transfer the mixture into it. I'll sprinkle some chocolate drops on top of it. This is ready to go into the oven. I have preheated it to about 150 degrees Celsius. I'll be baking this for about 40 minutes. So it's been after about 40 minutes, and this is what we have here. I'll just go ahead and cut a slice. As you can see, it is super soft. I mean, it tastes like velvet. Definitely need to give this a try. As you can see, unfortunately, my chocolate drops sank to the bottom. And I mean, it's delicious anyway. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you're going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.